Welcome to DigiDARA AI Epics, where mythology meets machine learning, and the wisdom of legends lights the path of artificial intelligence. DigiDARA AI Epics. Learn AI with the heroes of Mahabharata and Ramayana. In the beginning, knowledge flowed from palm leaf scrolls. Today, it flows through code. Krishna, the divine strategist, calm, wise, the guardian of ethical intelligence. He represents explainable AI, helping machines act with clarity and conscience. Arjuna, the focused learner, his greatest power, asking the right questions. He embodies the art of prompt engineering. Bhim, unstoppable raw power. Like the AI processing core, he crushes obstacles and handles the heaviest loads. Rama, a symbol of balance and dharma. In the world of AI, he represents fair governance and moral precision. Hanuman, swift, loyal, and ever active. He mirrors agentic AI, autonomous, reliable, and unstoppable. Narasimha, fierce and untamed. Like anomaly detection, he appears when threats arise and restores balance. Parashuram, the destroyer of broken systems. He enforces logic, embodying rule-based AI. Kalki, the final avatar yet to come. He represents artificial general intelligence, machines that learn, adapt, and evolve like us. These are not just legends. They are the mentors of your AI journey. Join us as we learn from their legacy. Follow DigiDARA to learn AI the storytelling way.